to download protected videos from any website. So if you want to download the protected videos from any website, then what you need to do is you just need to simply search for video download helper. Once you search, now you just need to simply go with the first, which is www.downloadhelper.net, and you can download or install it on your Chrome or Microsoft Edge or Firefox. You can simply choose any browser. So I'll be just choosing install for Chrome. You can also go with the extension store. So you just need to simply click on install for Chrome and it will take you to this Chrome web store. Go with add to Chrome and go with add extension, which is right here. So wait for a few seconds and the extension will be added. Now once the extension has been added, you just need to simply go with the extension and you need to pin the extension right here and then go with the three dots which is on the right side and then go with manage extension or just go with the video download helper. And here it says that no media to process in the current tab. So what you need to do is just simply go with a new tab and go with settings. Under settings, you just need to simply go with more settings. And if it says the companion app is not installed, then you just need to simply click on the companion app or install companion app, which is right here. Now you just need to simply go with download and install the companion app. Go with the upper right and here go with download unverified file, and it may take some time, so just wait for a few seconds. Once you're done with it, now what you need to do is you just need to simply go with a video that you would like to download. So for example, I'll be just choosing a download video. So here you can simply go with any video that you're comfortable with. I'll be choosing this one and make sure to play the video for 5 seconds. Once you've played, now you just need to simply go with the upper right, which has that extension. Click on it and here you will have the download option. You just need to simply go with download and it will start the downloading process. So that's how you can download protected videos from any website. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.